Hello and welcome to Goa 365 Story Behind the Story. The assembly session is going on. It was supposed to be a 10-day session, but because of the pandemic, the government has brought it down to 3 days. Yesterday, it was a very long session. It almost got over in the middle of the night. And today too, the session it's going on. Things are happening. The people are, the opposition is talking about various issues. So today we will be discussing about some of the issues the important issues that came up in the assembly. With me are my colleagues, Mr. Samip Narvenkar, Samip, and Mr. Sushant Gawas. Sushant. We will be starting off with Samip today. And Samip, what were till date, what were the issues that कितें issue तुमकां important कळयले, opposition clash जाले? I think some of the issues are about the rape case, law and order situation. What are the issues according to you which were important?
Yesterday the important issue came of Madai. There was a lot of discussion, debates, and MLAs came face to face. And later in the calling attention there was the issue of gang rapes. So we have saw 3 gang rapes in a row in Belgaum, and yesterday it was here in Usgaon. So the safety of the people has become a grave concern, and the opposition is trying to hit hard on the government what the law enforcement are doing, as the law and order has collapsed in the state. So CM had a hard time explaining them or clearing the doubts that no, law and order has not collapsed, law and order is doing its job. But
कित्याक why is it कित्याक म्हणटा तो that law and order collapse? Why? आता conviction rates are good, and the detection rate is बरें आसा, but कित्याक म्हणटा लोक कित्याक इतले अबालात कित्याक जाता on this issue, law and order? Samip.
Law and order means what? The people are getting arrested, but there is no action further going on the culprits. अजून म्हणटा कन्विक्शन रेट हे बऱ्या, पूण फुडें कितें जाता तें कोणाक खबर ना. आनी अशी न्यूज आमकां आयकूंक येता. काल पासून चीफ मिनिस्टरान एक स्टेटमेंट केलो दॅट पेरंट्स शूड नॉट लीव देयर चिल्ड्रन outside the home in the night. This has drawn very criticism from politics. So Rohan Khunte today condemned. So it's opposition is saying CM should not blame parents for the failure of the police in the state. So CM should ensure that every person gets safety. So the main issue in the focus is, if the culprit is getting arrested, make sure it's punished immediately, means very soon, but don't delay the justice for the people.
Okay, agreed. Also perception is important today. Ultimately politics is perception. It looks as if that the people are not scared of the police. This is the perception. This is what is coming from the ground. One of the accused in this rape case, in one of the rape cases in South Goa beach, is a government servant. Now to zana, obviously government servant zana that मेवत जाल्यार तेका जॉब वयतलो, हें वयतलें, तें वयतलें, but still openly केला तेणें. In open Oilan, not only have they done this heinous crime, tried to stop destroy the future of these victims, but they had the audacity to call them up, record it, call them up, and then try to extort money from them. ताका पुलिसेचे कांयच भिरांत ना कशें दिसता. Perception. Second thing, ते earlier अनेक South Goan आशिल्ले that some 4 people had done this, had raped a girl from that area. Same thing, they tried to extort. That means पुलिसेची कांयच भिरांत ना. That means perception of the police with the people is not very good. What do you think, Samip? Is this what I'm saying correct or
yes,
not? Maybe I'm not saying. Maybe the police are doing a good job. They are catching the people, no problem. They are being arrested, and the conviction rate also has gone up. It's gone up, I think, probably to the sexual assault case gone up to around 20% from 6-7%. But perception is that the police of the people or the people just don't care. for the police. Is that what is happening?
Yeah, so there- yeah.
Assault चालली ती broad daylight आणि तिका ती रस्त्यार
Yes.
gang fight जाल्ली पळय shooting.
एक अशी म्हण हा, मेल्या उपरांत चिलकत घालप
हम्म.
मीन्स वियरिंग यू शिल्ड आफ्टर यू डाय. So it's better, precaution is better than cure.
Aye.
If there is a proper enforcement or the
Perception.
Yeah, so if there is a night patrolling or everything the police is doing, so now you say the night curfew is the best example we get today. CM is saying night curfew is extended. We don't feel like there's a night
Curfew
curfew in
at
the
all.
state. Yeah. If you go in the night in the at 10, 11, 12, you will see tourists roaming on the beach. Curfew is the meaning what? You can't leave out of the house at that given time. So I think curfew is 7 a.m. I don't know. We can still see shops
PM.
open till 10 a.m. bar and
PM.
12. Yeah. So this is how the enforcement is working in the state right now. So what do we expect people to trust whom? The police or the government?
Exactly.
And
That's happening.
and the government itself is giving mileage to the political parties, opposition.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now from one, I will get back to you, Samip. Now, but I would like to bring Sushant in on this. Now, Sushant, किती जालें now? ते पावस येयलो, खूब पावस येयलो, मागीर तेजे पयलीं ते तोतके येयले ते आनी फ्लडिंग. हे फ्लडिंगाचेर आनी ऑल्सो रस्ते पिडे जाल्या पावसा लागून कितें हेजेरूय खूब डिबेट जाल्ली असेंब्लीन. सुशांत,
आता हुंवाराचें पळोवप जाशीत जाल्यार हुंवार तिळारी धरण मुख्य कारण. उदक तिळारी धरणाक लागून साळ किंवा बिचोली बार्देस तालुक्यांत उदक येता हे सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. फाटली 2-3 वर्सां आमी पळयत आसात. सरकार सांगता आमी उपाय येवजण करतले, पूण अजून मेरेन कांयच जायना. तिळारीचे तशें पळोवंक जाशीत जाल्यार साळांतले लोक सांगता ते प्रमाण तांकां पयलीं कितें तरी पूर्व कल्पना दिवपाक जाय किंवा बजर नाजाल्यार आनी कितें तरी यंत्रणा लावपाक जाय जेणे करून लोकांक कळटलें की बाबा हुंवार येवपाचें आसा नाल्यार उदक वाडटलें. अवेरनेस म्हण किंवा बजर लावपाक जाय थंय. उदकाची पातळी जशी जशी वाडटा तसो बजर वाचतलो नाजाल्यार आनी कितें उपाय येवजण करून लोकांक एक पूर्व कल्पना दिवंक जाय जेणे करून तांकां कळटलें की बाबा आतां हुंवार येतलें नाजाल्यार उदक वाडटलें. पूण अशें कांयच जायना. दुसरी गजाल की उदक वाडलें तेज्या उपरांत आपतकालीन जी यंत्रणा आसता ती टायमार पावना. लोकांचे हाल जातात, लोक व्हांवून वतात, जनावरां मरतात, शेतां भाटांचें लुकसाण जाता. तेचेरय कांय उपाय येवजण जायना. लुकसाण भरपाय लोकांक मेळना आनी लोक खूब त्रासान पडल्यात. पेडणे ते सायडीन हसापूर, इब्रामपूर ह्या लोकांचे खूब हाल जाल्यात अशें दिसून येता. जी फाटल्या एक 4-5 दिसांतली जी विज्युअलां पळयल्यार लोकांक सामकें कळटलें की कितें परिस्थिती एक्चुअली आसा ती. दुसरी गजाल रस्त्यांची म्हटल्यार रस्त्यांचें हे पुराण खूब तेंप जालो चालूच आसा. नॅशनल हायवेच्या कामाक लागून हे जातात अशें म्हणटा. दुसरी गजाल म्हटल्यार सिवरेजीचें काम चालू आसा. ह्यो दोनूच गजाली सांगत आसात. सरकार भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री जो आसा तो डेडलायन दीत आसा, आयज जातले फाल्यां जातले, आनी कोरोना महामारीचें कारण फुडें करता. कामगार ना म्हणटा. कामगार ना एके वाटेन ही गजाल खरीच आसा. दुसरे वाटेन म्हणटा डांबर ना किंवा आनी कसल्यो गजाली ना, हेका लागून रस्त्याचें काम फाटीं पडलां अशें सांगत आसा तो. पूण एक्चुअली काम जायना ही खरी गजाल आसा.
हे आतां असेंब्लीन इश्यू आयिल्लो अबाउट रेन्स आनी फ्लडिंग आनी रस्त्याचे खूब इश्यू आयिल्लो. एंड वॉट यू से दॅट द ऑपोजिशन अटॅक केला गव्हर्मेंटाक हे इश्यूचेर. बट आतां समीप, पयलो ते क्वेश्चनारान तुमी आशिल्ले तेन्ना पयलो क्वेश्चन आयिल्लो तो ऑन म्हादे. तो म्हादेचेर कितें एक्झॅक्टली विशय ऑपोजिशन कित्याक इतले बेजार जाल्ले म्हादेचेर आनी ते मुख्यमंत्रीक इंटरफियर जावंक पडले इन द डिबेट. वाय इतले कित्याक आबूज जाले ऑपोजिशन हे इश्यूर असेंब्लीन?
See, the Made issue is pending in the Supreme Court. Government has filed a dozen of petitions. So, just opposition want to know what the government is, what's the government role, what exactly is government is planning to do in the issue. Just filing the petitions. Yesterday Rohan County alleged that in a special petition heard by the Supreme Court, it has directed Karnataka government to stop the diversion work.
सारखे ते सगळे जाणा आम्ही नो
Yes, but still Karnataka is diverting. And why the government is silent? Chief ministers did one mistake during Liberation Day, saying Madhe is like my mother, माझ्या आवय सारखी. So opposition every time they take the point and hit out the chief minister.
किती म्हणून
तू म्हणता माझे आपल्या आवय सारखे तू आपल्या आवयक विकून काढले हे काढले त्या काढले करून बट when they ask a particular minister loses voice, loses his speech, so he doesn't know what to speak exactly, so CM has to jump in. So when CM was asked, Karnataka being a BJP government and the central government being a BJP, it has a guts to go against court order and divert the Madhe river.
गोया ऑल्सो बीजेपी गव्हर्नमेंट
तुम्ही कित्याक करिना म्हणटात कर्नाटकाक बसून इतकी हिंमत असल्यार आता सीएम म्हणटा की वी आर फायटिंग इन द कोर्ट्स पेटिशन देर आर 4 or 5 petitions in the pending in the court. We can't give details because it's a court matter.
ज्युडिशियल
Yeah, it's a judicial matter. Or and if the details are given, it could harm the progress of the case.
ओके agreed but that means any किती ऍक्शन कंटेम्प्ट ते सगळे ऑलरेडी फाईल केला म्हणटा न्हू तो बट काय फरक पडोंक ना
काय फरक पडोंक ना म्हणटा आणि बेस्ट आता
ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा
ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा आणि तशें आमी पळोवंक गेला कितक्यो ते वचून सायट इन्स्पेक्शना ते आतां एकदां सायट इन्स्पेक्शनाक आमच्या ऑफिशियलाक आनी कोण आमचे एनवायरमेंटल तेंच्या पुलिसांनी तेच्यान धांवडायल्ले बसून तेजेर खंयच्या मिनिस्टरान बसून WRD मिनिस्टरान बसून एक कितें तरी कंडेम करूंक जाय आसलो ते एक जावंक आनी सॅलिनिटी टेस्ट म्हणटा ते जायत आसात आतां इश्यू म्हणटा तो म्हादे समज डायवर्ट केल्यार सॅलिनिटी वाडटली वॉट कर्नाटका सेज तुमी आमी जितके वॉटर डायवर्ट करता तुमचे ते दर्यान वयता इट गोज इन टू इट्स गेट्स वेस्टेड इट्स बेटर वी कॅन यूज इट.
okay
Yeah.
Okay.
So your share of water also how much the percentage depends on you will get for the agriculture and what. So the issue is salinity. During the tides, the water
Okay.
level could go to Usgaon Ganje, which are now the fresh source of water. So if we get water for Tiswadi and all. फाल्यां ते सॅलिनिटी येत जाल्यार तो प्रॉब्लम जातलो तो सॅलिनिटीचो इश्यू घेवन हांगासर खूब कडेन इन्स्पेक्शन करता ऑन द बँक्स ऑफ रिवर मादे along the river bed. So there is no clarity at all on the salinity, the reports and all.
आणि मग आनी कितें इश्यू येयल्ले एग्रीकल्चर कितें डिस्कशन आयज
So on the question the issue of reservation of municipal polls. So
okay,
it was brought back again by the opposition leader Digambar Kamath. So yes, Digambar grilled government on the reservation, like he did a allegation where top lawyers were hired for this for the Supreme Court, High Court also, and the Supreme Court also.
means Sazwan much explain.
Yeah, means to on the government side. To defend the government
Okay.
that reservations are correct, done as per the constitution.
Okay.
So the Supreme Court thrown the petition out. He wanted to know what the expenditure incurred on these top lawyers. And another thing is the state election commissioner, who was also a law secretary and given another additional charge of SEC. So as per the constitution, a government servant cannot be election commissioner. So with this point, Vijay Sardar also hit out. He said in other BJP ruled state election commissioner is also a government servant. So when Supreme Court asked to change state election commission, it also directed other BJP state who had a government servant acting as a election commissioner. So main thing, Digambar had a question, when this reservation were unconstitutional, not going as per the constitution, why the election commissioner stayed silent? He should have knowledge that yes, when the document is going of delimitation or the reservation before him, he has to go through, and he must have found some mistake and should have sent back that reservation delimitation file back to the DMA. He said why it doesn't happen. So Chief Minister did manage to debate with them, and he then announced next time he will amend Panchayati Raj Act and Municipal Act. So the delimitation and reservation decision will be decided by State Election Commission. Government will have no part to play in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was a long pending demand of opposition.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, thanks, Samip. Sushant, last time इलेक्शनान खूब लोफडे जाल्ले न्हू म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शनाक पंचायती डिलिमिटेशन थोडे ते आमकां मातशे डिटेल दिवंक शकता.
हय, तर डिलिमिटेशनाचें अशें आसा की जे प्रभाग रिजर्व करूंक जाय आसले, ज्या लोकां खातीर रिजर्व करूंक जाय आसले ते करूंक ना. रिजर्वेशन भलतेच केले, ताका लागून बोवाळ पडलेलो. जे उमेदवार असले त्यांच्यानी बोवाळ घातलेलो. त्याच्या उपरांत ऑपोजिशन कोर्टान गेल्ले, त्यांच्यानी स्टे हाडलेलो, परतून रिजर्वेशन करपाक पडले आणि वेंचणुकेची जी एकूण प्रक्रिया आसा जी लांबणेर पडली. ताका लागून लोकय बेजार असले आणि उमेदवारय बेजार असले सरकाराचेर, आणि सरकाराकय परतून हे सगळे ही सगळी वेंचणुकेची प्रक्रिया करची पडली. ताका लागून एकंदर सगळ्यांकच त्रास जालो.
So you think आता with giving it to SEC improvement जातलो instead of DMA तुजे हिसपान म्हणटा तूं? Will it work this move of the CMान कितें announcement केला ते?
आयज जे सीएमान जे सांगले ते प्रमाण DMA कडल्यान इलेक्शन कमिशना कडेन दिता म्हणून सांगले तेणी. ताजेर पळोवया आता कितें एक्चुअल जाता ते.
सारकें. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Okay. Samip, we need to give us a general break because हें कितें जालें न्हू इलेक्शनाक लागून ऑपोजिशन ऑल्सो मातशे बेजार जाल्ले 3 दीस 10 दीस तेजेरूय मातशें कितें वाद जाल्लो. आय डोंट नो इन द असेंब्ली तेजेर आनी ऑल्सो जनरल ओवरऑल आतां पासून ऑन डिमांड्स इन ब्रीफ आमकां कॅन यू गिव अस सम सॉर्ट ऑफ दिस ऑन वॉट्स हॅपन टील नाव ऑन दिस असेंब्ली?
Till now,
Today is the second last day.
For tomorrow is the last day. We should know that yesterday the assembly got over at 1:30 to around 2. So the opposition first were in arms that they don't want for the 3 days. They want even a longer assembly session up till 8 days. Okay, minimum 8 days is enough. But I think opposition are adamant. So they are going on. They have a series of questions to target government and corner them. So it's better to pull it till midnight. Yesterday the Madhe issue, which was the hot topic, and then came the crime scenario. It was not only about the rapes but also the robberies, the murders and the shootouts. So we used to see such incident during in northern parts of India. So Goa is said to be a peaceful state. Everyone is surprised. So that was the main thing. And then demands and grants. Then were the bills. 6 or 7 bills were passed yesterday. And today there was a discussion on main discussion was DMA. I told you, and main discussion on the questionnaire was the compensation for the farmers.
Yeah,
so the
cyclone or
cyclone.
Okay.
The flooding was the reason.
Okay.
So the farmers were told to submit their documents or assess their losses and submit to the agriculture department or the panchayat. So the farmers did the same. So surprisingly 1288 cases are still pending of the farmers. Compensation. They have filed the applications. Government saying they have delayed, but 490 cases which have been already clear but not paid yet. They are waiting for the payment.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the Agriculture Minister Baba Ajgaonkar has promised that everything files, all the applications filed by the farmers will be cleared by the 1st August. They will receive the payment. And also the Ravinex, Ponda MLA Ravinex said in their area the farmers who had filed for the compensation have received the check from the government. But the payment is not happening. Yeah, that checks are getting bounced. The government has not money. So the Babu and Chief Minister had a hard time convincing Ravi. It's not possible. maybe the farmers, the applicant should have given the wrong account number and all. So he said he settled this saying just give him the details. He will sort out the issue today as possible. And the main thing issue was raised by Porvorim MLA Rohan Khawante saying why the farmers have to do everything. The farmers is already in a tension. He has a lot of pressure. He has lost the land which he survives on. So the farmer is forced to go to run to pillar to post in government office, collect the forms, do formalities, click photos of the damage, then assess it in the form. What the officials are doing? Officials should go on field and assess the damage and bring it to the notice of the government. So this was the main agendas, and after during the end of this question or this topic, the agriculture minister promised to increase compensation for one hectare under Aadhar Nidhi, Krishi Aadhar Nidhi, Shatkar Aadhar Nidhi from 25,000 to 40,000 per hectare.
Okay. Okay, so these are the basic as of now, and also demands ashil and budget ader kide discussion zalle tolli. Yeah. Today, so this is the last session before the election, which is supposed to come up next year, early next year, probably by Feb end or something like that. So the government also has a lot to lose, and the opposition also has a lot to gain more than that if they keep the government on the mat. However, the government has been attacked, but they have managed to sort of balance out the whole issue. Looks like, let's see what today night happens, and let's see what happens tomorrow. Issues the government, the opposition is going to bring up issues, and the government will have to answer, because lots of things could have been better. The handling of the rains, the flooding, law and order, lots of things could have been. Roads, a very bad state. So the opposition is going to try to put the government on the mat, and the government has to defend itself and look good, because the elections are just around the corner. Thank you, Samir.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sushant. And there another 1.5 day, or another one full day and little bit today evening of the assembly. So thank you, and keep watching Goa 365.